Mama, now so you take apple.
Yeah, ma. So you dey go there tell people say you be orphan. Wetin do me? Where be your mama? Wetin do me? Ha! You go there tell people say is it good? What they come?
Mama, make I use this one, guys. Mama, remember, they need the advice, bread me now. Mama, from today, now me be the man of the house.
I don't put them for their mind, say CP, I will never fail up.
What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, this is going to be short and it's going to be very, very interesting. So make sure to subscribe, I beg. Subscribe, share, and drop nice comments. You feel me? So, the play. Let's go have some fun. I will give you money.
Biaima, who give you this money?
Mama, beg now, Mama, beg.
So you don't the thief? Make them open my talk quick. Who give you money?
Mama, beg, I go talk.
Oh, yeah, talk now.
Mama, who say no go cast my update?
You get updates. Okay, no problem. Oh, yeah, talk. I dey hear you.
Mama, sit down.
Make I sit down. No wahala. I don't sit down. Oh, yeah, talk.
No money, why they go school?
What's going on here?
Chaka.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Now do you go to school today? They're your sisters, one.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. What a vibrant young man. What are you doing here?
I see say una dey share money for children. Now make me come here.
Young man, this is an NGO for orphans. Children that don't have mothers and fathers. What are you doing here?
That me say, now God don't send me come here. I no get mama, I no get papa, I be orphan.
Young man, let's attend to him. Yes. I'll give you something. We'll attend to you. Take. Because you're the last and not the least, I will add another one to you.
Okay, sir.
Good. Hey, come back here. Okay, come and write your name and sign here.
There is sign name for you.
Yes, of course, young man. Put your name.
What do you know say they right? Sabi right?
Good. From today, you are now part of the orphans. Okay? All right. I need to be very, very wise and articulate. You know.
Mama, now so you take apple.
Biaima, so you dey go there tell people say you be orphan. Wetin do me? Where be your mama? Wetin do me? Ha! You go there tell people say is it good? What they come?
Mama, make I use this one, guys. Mama, remember, they need the advice, bread me now. Mama, from today, now me be the man of the house.
I don't put them for their mind, say CP, I will never fail up.
And me, Babylon.
Man of the house.
Boy, I cannot be believe it.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Hey, Jesus Christ!
Sharon.
How are you now?
It's a
Mercedes. Nduka.
yes, now.
Loudy. I do massage you. I even know for happy ending.
Happy ending. Shall we?
Yes, now.
Maybe my guy go like him now.
So you're even a boy. I become a show me your job.
And just knock this window.
Woman go the think, and that woman go sit down here and our problem what they solve.
Boy.
Oh, they struggle.
Hey!
Don't make it so.
You want to run away?
Oh, so you not do massage, Abi?
I'm not hearing.
But I can even shut.
Go for waiting. Don't punish you. I say they meant Abi. Wait till you just tell me from my left hand side.
Wait till person feel bone apart for ball gay.
Oh, that may take on here. Go massage your papa. But I'm not sure say you got for the ending.
I would rather walk on hot coal than have sexual
So you don't
intercourse.
sabi your popsicle again.
Who is that? Come here, Abby.
I beg, you know, go vex. I get serious relationship issue, and at the time you say na therapist they live here. So
Come here, yes, I'm a therapist.
I beg, I need therapy. Like,
You're welcome.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I say the way they be like.
Don't worry. We'll give you food before we even start any therapy. Very important. Yes. Mora!
Ma,
Please, can you get our client something to get?
ma, what's left is just soup. There's no swallow.
No worry, I deal with my fufu.
Jesus.
Swallow.
But I know they laugh. They record me, they laugh.
Bring it.
Now food you can't chop now. That's why you can't chop food. Tell you say you can't chop.
Devil has been waiting for you.
The devil has been waiting for
I'm
you.
telling you, our food not too much. Rinse wash and come on.
Do you want me to drag it?
No worry, bring them here. Please, make a chop first before I get in age. Because if I tell you the issue, my sister.
I hope you enjoyed the food.
It's sweet well.
Mora!
Yes, ma'am.
Please come and take the plate for me.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're relaxed now.
You know what, Sha?
Now that you've eaten, so can you share with me the relationship issue that you have?
Eh?
The relationship issue that you have. I can help you. That's my job.
Me? Issue? No. I mean, there is not a get issue. Me like this. Madam, I believe that thing. I don't forget issue. My issue is solved.
Now food.
So you don't have relationship issue?
No.
Now hunger carry you come here.
The issue, the relationship with me have been getting with hunger, I don't solve them. You did the spirit. I beg you don't solve them, Jerry.
You don't get a relationship issue?
I don't get.
So you came to my house to eat the last food within my house. Now you can't chop. You
Let's say you they solve the problem now.
I tell you, sir, you are the chef food. Hey! No, I tell you, sir, the chef food.
You never reach this, madam.
So you came to my house. Wait, you my house. You know you're free before you come out.
Oh yeah, wait, madam, no, wait. You get rice.
You don't
Good.
see.
What's going on? Bro,
I want to go out. I told my babe that I'm not feeling fine. I need to go to the hospital or the pharmacy to get drugs and take care of myself. But she thinks I'm going to see another woman.
Exactly. He's going to see another girl.
I don't know where she's getting the thoughts from. Look at me, look at my babe. My babe is fine. I don't cheat. I'm even feeling hot.
okay, see, you know what? Just wait for me. I'll be right back. I will settle this issue now. Just wait for me.
Good. So then they wait for you. You enter back.
You want to beat me? Go
Good day. Hello, Missy. There's no need for argument. I'm here with a doctor to actually check if your boyfriend is feeling fine or not. Doctor, do your job.
Yes, brother.
Whoa, this man is not feeling fine. In fact, he needs to come with us to the hospital immediately. And madam, no need to be over dramatic, okay? This man needs to come with us to the hospital right now. Please, let's go.
Then they check person heart on top clothes.
Alpha, my guys, are they okay or nothing to do me? Nah. Are they very fine? I just want to go try one babe. I've been gonna find a way to drop me. Bro, no worry. We know. You know? Boys will always be boys. Correct. Yes, sir.
Hey!
Wait.
You? They don't have the follow.
Activate plan B. Activate plan B.
Plan B activated.
Just see stress. See stress. Just go and cheat. See stress.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma. Yeah, Mama, so we will love to do some stop and search in this your cab.
Officer, look, I'm just following that ambulance. My boyfriend is inside. I just want to follow them.
I love your story very much, but I have to do my job, eh? Please come down. Come down.
See stress. Just say person one.
Look my hand now. You see anything for my hand? You see anything for my hand? Eh? Thank you.
Officer, I don't really have anything in that car. I'm just going somewhere.
Hey. Madam, relax now. Are you trying to teach me my work?
No, even me like that, I shock.
God will pay you. Keep pressure.
Jesus. Madam, what is this? Smell am. Igbo?
They don't ask the girlfriend just because they want to go cheap.
Baby.
I've been here waiting for you since.
Is that my girl? She's the one stressing me. She didn't want me to come out, so I had to find a way to come out, okay? My baby. Yeah, let's go now.
Bro, where they go now?
We won't go lodge now.
Lodge? If you run out for here now.
If you run out for here,
you don't tell me small thing.
you be blood.
Now why we they call am God? Now why if they always turn up? He go turn up.
Honey.
Hey. What do you call me?
Honey now.
He dey call me honey as in how? Wait. Because me, they do something, they open mouth call me honey. You don't forget I don't marry, so I get 2 children for her. I don't tell you say this thing when me and you do, I just friends with benefit. I don't want to hear that honey for your mouth again. If they come with my wife, go call me.
Babe, just spend one night with me now.
Make I spend one night with you again.
Yes.
I don't stay 2 nights with you. You don't do you. Make I spend 1 extra night. My wife and children there for house. You're a very wicked person. You dey belle full. What are they even reason self now? What I go tell my oga? I shall never go work.
Can you imagine?
I think they call me. Hello, Oga. Good morning.
Festus.
Oga, I won't even call you now.
Why you put that for speaker?
To call you to tell you that I'm not sure I can come to work. My wife has been very sick now for 2 days.
Oh, so sorry.
Yes, so seriously sick. It be like saying an attack.
Attack?
Attack from village. But we are handling it. It's in God's hands.
Okay, it's all right.
Yes, sir.
But I'm equally very confused though, because your wife is here with me.
Jesus.
My wife there with you.
She said you have not been home for 2 days. She came to the office to check if you are working overtime or overnight. And I begin to wonder. Anyway, the next verse shall be is that of your wife. What is family problem?
Yeah, Festus. You say wetin do me? Attack. No wahala. When you come house, you go see the real attack. I go attack you. Festus, you are playing with fire.
I go attack you.
They play with fire. Go and ask questions.
I say you they play with fire. No
I'm dying inside you. A lot of things are happening to me.
Oga, take.
Oga, I can explain.
Femla Bush, you are fired.
Help!
Can't come over, give me.
Because if I catch fire here, you don't go like.
Too easy.
I go show you.
System movement, short shit.
What be this? What be this?
That is how much? 150. That is 1, 2, 3. How much they are?
Nah, the money way Motel send give me 16 naira and I give my copy like this.
How much they are?
No, 19 naira.
19 naira. That is how much? 150. Everything will come to the 300.
You start on now.
I don't go on that. You don't say my phones are the run at the press.
I may say that now. You say that now. What's the worry now? Call J first.
I don't stop Jane too much. I don't like her.
Oh, Jesus.
I found me on spot.
Too fast.
The suffering.
Hello, Jane. Please, do you mind sending me like 300 naira? Yeah, I want to top up. I want to top up. Oh, yeah.
We're going to do big boy.
How much for that?
Don't want to.
I want to see. If I don't say that, are you saying your own come? You say your own come.
Stop, don't finish it.
I don't like this guy.
All this night,
I don't like this guy, bro. I don't like this guy. Take care. I don't like this guy. I swear. I don't like this guy. Aji. You get some now.
I get.
How many MB you get?
I get like 12 MB.
Like 12 MB. Are you all us for? I may send money come my side. Then you go share me from my send money go Baba side.
I can't do for Lagos with that. How many cars I don't think that?
Daddy for.
You bring a mechanical inspection.
Ahmed, Pele, mo ti fojú why?
Yes.
Alpha motor to Soko Ferran ko.
That is it right there.
No be Benz be this.
Now God.
Oh yeah, now me dey open bonnet. I no check out.
Oh,
now the follow car battery.
Yes. Now you be
follow car engine.
Yeah.
Follow car radiator.
Yeah.
Follow car compressor.
Yes.
Oh yeah, now make I change the engine oil. Oh yeah, now intact. Alpha, make them bring key now.
For what?
Ahmed, I know they like all this kind of question. Tell them now. Ah.
Hey, mister. Let him have the key.
Ah.
There's no need for test.
Say we go. I'm boss here with now.
Are you sure?
Ah.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm here. You close bonnet. I'm bringing
going
key. Peso.
A few moments later.
Okada.
That cannot be him.
You carry Okada come back.
Daddy for.
Daddy for. Don't worry, carry down the gear.
You don't spoil car.
What's going on?
You don't bash am.
Ọlọ́run ló yọ mí o. I swear to God, ọgbọ́n.
Mọ́tò wo?
Mọ́tò tá a fẹ́ test ni.
The Benz now.
Ọlọ́run.
Mọ́tò 160 million.
160 million.
Yes.
Ah. How we go do now?
How we go? But what are old? Still they pay 40 years later.
Thank you, sir.
So how much of the money is left now?
Let me check. 112,368,000.
40 years later, you never still pay and finish.
That's okay. I'll come tomorrow to deposit my daily 35.
No problem.
All right, take care.
All right.
You dey pay 35 daily. 35 daily for 40 years.
You can't just send me out like this. How many years now? Please, let's talk about this. Listen to this, baby, please.
Why are you treating a lady like this? Oh my God.
How many years? Just this small thing.
Is this a real woman? She deserves love.
Problem now. Let me just be going here.
Deserve! Go, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Bele. Lasisi.
Bro, you never see Lasisi.
No, I don't see him now.
I don't check everywhere. I don't see Lasisi.
I don't finish me. Lasisi, I know if they do show for UK. Don't be after me. Oh, if that man, person go bring back home. No, tell bros.
He say he want shoe skit. He say na single skit.
Why you bring say Lasisi want shoe skit?
Why you see that run?
But I told that if you don't see Lasisi for this UK, see even Lasisi, if Lasisi run, we'll go kill Lasisi. I want to change the way go kill now. Twelve now. No, tell bros.
Sorry, na Lasisi will dey find abi na Ogun.
Ogun dey kill Ogun. See, wanna go for Lasisi because what if you know about this one now? I go run, leave your wife, leave Piki for this thing. Bro, see, you follow here. You follow this side. We'll go for Lasisi, I beg. See, wait. See Lasisi, oh. See Lasisi. Get up. No, it's you.
Oh no, don't you later. No. Momo enter UK, no one go back again. Crazy guy. You enter UK, you don't want to go back again. And this is something so many guys used to do. They go enter another country. Funny, once they don't leave Nigeria like this, they go jackpot. They don't want to come back again. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And in case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please make sure to subscribe. It's important for the growth of this channel. Subscribe, drops nice comments, and you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. I have over 200 and something videos on my channel, so check them out. Trust me, you'll like them. And see you in the next one, my people. Peace out.